Hey everybody, you're watching Oscar Outdoors. Today we're out here at Rivers Bend Lake, and we're gonna check out this kayak, man. Again, we're gonna do a little better review on it. It's the Pelican Premium Catch 100. I did a couple little things to it. I put a fish finder on it, and I just XL wired it out to the top, to the battery box back here, and I got a little Pelican box right there. That's about it. And here's an extra paddle, dry bag, and pretty basic. Today I'm primarily going to check out how stable it is. I'm going to try to stand up in it today, rock it around a little bit, and just paddle around, and try out that fish finder. That's what we're going to do today, guys. Let's get started. All right, this bad boy's in the water. Got my son Judah with me. He's going to help me out today. Yeah, the water's a little bit cold. Nice and clear too. All right, let's get this bad boy out in the water. Check it out. All right, I'm sticking the strap underneath just to kind of lock the chair down here. I'm a big guy, so I'm gonna get a little further out. Get on it. All right, we're out in the water. Stay right there. I'm gonna turn around. About a foot of water right here, and then I guess put the paddle there. Got this little strap to help you assist getting up. Oh, well, it works. Oh, and there I go, standing on the Pelican Premium. So as I tip to the right, it'll stop. If I tip to the left, it'll stop too. So it's a little struggle balance, not too bad. It stops when I go too far to the right or to the left. So that's kind of cool. And this is me, doing my thing with it. So I wonder if I can paddle standing up. So far it's working out. Scupper hose out so I could drain the water out and everything. But it's up. Oh, I haven't fell yet. Here it comes. I have to fight it a little bit, but I don't have the best balance in the world anyway. Got it. So let's do it a couple more times. From the sitting position. You can either lock your paddle here or put it up in the front little divots here. So I'm gonna try to stand up without the rope. I don't know if that's a good idea or not. I don't feel myself getting up without the rope. Okay, we're gonna use this assist. That's not bad. Now I'm 275 pounds, you guys, 5'9". I don't even got the best balance in the world, but this thing stops at the left and the right. As far as turning around, let's try to turn around. Oh, this boy goes. And I'm turning. Oh! me, you guys.
Your hat.
It's cold. Oh, my head. Oh. Woo! Where do I have?
Are you right there on your head?
Oh. Oh, didn't mean for that to happen, you guys. Turning around in it, I'm gonna have to practice a little bit more. All right, so I got the Garmin right here. It's starting up right now. As you can see, we're in 3 feet of water. Sorry about the glare, you guys. Let me turn around the glare. Just checking if this works. There you go. 4 feet of water. It's nice and clear down there. So I take it that's the surface, that's the bottom right there, and that's some brush, different stuff like that. I'll take it a little further and see what happens. Got some big stuff down there, all kinds of structure. So there might be some, might even be some fish down there. Who knows? Looks like it's working pretty good so far. Oh, we got some big schools of fish down there. Some fish hanging nice and low. It's 19 feet right here. You can see all the way to the bottom. Might be a small school right here or something. There's a big fish right here. Something right there. In about 4 or 5 feet of water, it might be a gar. Some more bait fish down there way in the bottom. Could be logs. 20 feet right there, baby. 12.8 volts in the battery. 60 degrees in the water, I guess. 11:17. 20 feet of water. Looks relatively clear right now. It's got a few different settings and stuff like that. We'll go over all that in another video, you guys. All right, getting a little cold. We checked out the kayak, worked out this fish finder a little bit. I'm gonna play around for a little bit more, you guys, and then go dry off.
Oh, is that it right there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought it was over there on the bank.
Oh yeah, over there.
Yeah.
Big old log. Any luck today?
Yeah, we caught a few.
Crappie, bass, whites. Yeah, so I didn't properly anchor the kayak, so friend over here is taking me to go retrieve the bad boy. There it is in the water. Knucklehead move of the week, guys. Yeah, that's a first for me right there, though. All right. Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate it. All right. All right, we got the kayak back. Let's go home.